In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize icons and emojis in Notion. Let's start with the page icon, the little visual that appears at the top of your Notion page and in your sidebar. Click the current icon to open the icon menu. From here, select Upload to add your own image. Choose a file from your device, and give it a moment to appear. For the cleanest results, use a clear square image so it scales nicely. High contrast designs look best in both light and dark mode, and transparent backgrounds can help your icon blend seamlessly with different themes. If your image looks off-center after uploading, try a version with a bit more padding around the edges to keep it from appearing cropped. If you prefer using an image from the web, click the icon again, choose Link and paste a direct image URL. Make sure it's a link that points straight to the image file itself and that it's accessible without needing a login. If the image doesn't load, double-check the link format or try another source. Using a link is great when you want to keep files small or maintain consistency across multiple pages by pointing to the same hosted image. Now let's talk about emojis in your text. As you type, enter a colon, then start typing the emoji name. Like :sparkles to bring up Notion's emoji picker. You'll see matching options appear right in line with your typing. And you can confirm the one you want when you see it. This is fast, searchable, and especially handy if you build templates or write frequently. If you'd rather use your device's emoji keyboard, that works too. Open it and insert any emoji directly into your text, titles, or callouts. Emojis can serve as quick visual markers in headings and lists, making content easier to scan and more approachable. If you change your mind about an icon, click it again and select Remove. This clears the current icon and brings your page back to a neutral look. It's a good move if you want a cleaner sidebar or if the icon no longer fits your content. Not sure what to pick? Choose Random and let Notion suggest one for you. It's a surprisingly effective way to discover a fitting style without spending time browsing. You can always swap it out later with another upload, link, or emoji. That's it. With a few simple clicks and keystrokes, you can give each page a unique personality while keeping your workspace consistent and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching.